just a few minutes ago, I glued these little fans together on this surface that's been shellacked, so the glue hopefully did not stick to the, so what I can do now is just, like I've already started here, I've cut the little ends with this number 8-7 carving tool, and then I think I can just glue those right back in and not cut new ones. Just use these that are already cut out. But I'm not sure about that yet. I think I may want to create new ones, ends here. Those will be painted green, those little ends, but anyway, I got to get these little cutouts. I'm angling the carving tool because it's beveled, of course, so I want this cut to be pretty much perpendicular. And I gotta glue pieces back in there. And I'll cut those pieces using this same carving tool. So now I create the little pieces that I want to put into the ends there, and then I can glue them on. Take these away. I think I'm just going to make new pieces to go in there. They'll be a little bit longer than these that I took out. I have a little bit of a straight on the sides, a little bit longer. Okay, next step.